Hello, you're listening to Hugo Talks Some More. So I'm sure by now you've seen the footage of Chris Whitty and two people in the park, and the mainstream media have called it harassment. Boris Johnson has come out and condemned it. The police are investigating, and to me, it just looks like a couple of tipsy guys trying to give him a hug and get a selfie. But the reaction of people online, especially from certain Twitter blue tick accounts, tells you a lot about the sincerity of certain people. And the footage, how bad is that footage? How on earth do you get a phone in this day and age to give you such poor condition, poor low quality video footage? The only times you see footage of this poor quality is usually with UFOs and sightings of the Loch Ness Monster and Bigfoot, and we all know why that is. The whole world is a stage, and you should question everything you see, especially at the moment, and this is very suspicious. Also, did you notice the police vans in the background? It's hard to pick up on them because the footage is so degraded. You may ask, you may say, why would they stage something like this? Well, I've already seen certain individuals calling for social media to have a verification process so that the people making the video could be found instantly. So that'd be more tracking and tracing, as if we don't have enough of that going on already. And look at the way these guys are acting. It's like a comedy drunk parody. So we have footage that is so poor it looks like it's been degraded deliberately, a very short clip as well, and a complete overreaction as well by the fake stream media and the government, almost instantly, as if it was scripted. Highly suspicious. As always, thanks for listening. Come and subscribe to hugotalks.com, a place for like-minded souls who don't follow the fake stream media.